school kids came, but the teachers never looked at this. They're looking at caged animal. So these kids, they will only understand that animals live only inside the cage, because their survival is only possible in a cage, because that's how they've been brought up, to look through the cage of the convenience of walking around a tarmac area, but not being able to see them in the forest if you walk gently in these forests. Because when we walk through a forest, we are scared that we are going to cross over the border onto another country. The nature, the sun, the light does not have borders or boundaries or discriminate against any life. Whoever opens the eyes has life to fully express. But humans have caused this complete arrogance and differences on this earth by destroying and partitioning, by separating, by dividing and conquering and ruling and living with a narcissist and greedy attitude to life, has caused this enormous degradation and deprivation of life, animal life, forest life, life of all. We clear the forest, aiming to use the land as fertile land for agriculture and food supply. After few crops, after few years, turning the land, we've consumed of the topsoil that has taken millions of years, hundreds of years to create an inch worth of topsoil, of fertile soil. And that all happens through this. Whatever was on the ground was consumed back, and we went back. And it takes hundreds and hundreds of years of biodegradable life to recycle itself and then become life for a new form of plant and animals and other. But what we have done is we clear that up, we turn it, we chemically infuse the soil, we process the soil, and we have contaminated already the earth. The contamination is such that we cannot grow more than 1 or 2 crops because the soil is exhausted after that. So we go and clear up more land, more land. As you come along, as you fly into anywhere on the planet, all we see is cleared up land, forest. At least lucky this part of the world, because the snow keeps about 3 months worth of water retained, and then it slowly seeps into the ground and the water is there. But in subtropical, tropical land, there's 2 ways the water can be maintained or can flow: glacier-fed water or forest-fed water. The glacier-fed water, there's no glaciers here, so it's out of question. This is a forest-fed water that keeps the water table alive and alert. The enormity of disaster for the next 10 years for the tropical and subtropical nations of this planet and the people along that segment across the world will be fighting for survival in the most ruthless ways, because when we run out of water, that is a direct correspondence of our entire body and how we sustain ourselves. We are going to find a real and serious and a significant problem in society and the way we live on the planet.